It's Thursday, July 12th. My name is Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. The euro-dollar has declined below daily pivot and is now heading towards support S1. After reaching that support, price will rebound and retest daily pivot, focusing on resistance R1, then consolidation. On the downside, a fall below first support will be indicating the next objective at S2. We are expecting a bearish trend today. The dollar-yen has fallen below daily pivot and will focus on support S1, where a correction will be completed with a rise to continue after retesting daily pivot. But if price falls below support, retesting the last low could be a sign of a further fall towards S2 support. Our indicators assume a bearish trend today. The sterling dollar's outlook trend will probably retest daily pivot soon and break above this level at R1 resistance. But consolidation will probably be limited earlier around R2. However, a rebound from daily pivot will be suggesting movement towards S1 support. A bullish trend for the cable. Finally, the dollar franc is holding above daily pivot with the next objective at R1 resistance. And with enough momentum, a further rise will focus on R2 resistance. But if price falls below daily pivot, it will be suggesting that consolidation is still underway and may be limited at S1. A bullish trend is predicted. Released by Eurostat at 10 a.m. GMT, and it will concern industrial production in the Eurozone. Analysts are expecting stagnation this month, while in the previous month production fell by 0.8%. Also, it will have a medium impact on the euro. Next at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Department of Labor is going to publish weekly figures about U.S. unemployment claims, which are expected to increase from 374,000 to 376,000 unemployed individuals. It is expected to have a high impact on the dollar. Also at 1:30 p.m. GMT, news from the U.S. about import prices will be released. In a previous report, prices fell 1%, and analysts now expect a deeper fall to 1.5%. These numbers will have a medium impact on the euro. Last news for today will be published at 7 p.m. GMT and will have a medium impact on the dollar. Department of Treasury is going to release statistics about U.S. federal budget balance. Last report showed deficit at $124.6 billion, and analysts await a significant decline in the deficit at $91.7 billion. Here's our top traders and performing strategies at Axiory, available for you right now. Euro-Yen strategy, Glimpsy, was able to move from third to the top of Mirror Trader chart with 210.9 pips, while Glimpsy strategy for Franc Yen fell to second place, gaining 236.4 pips. Auto Hedge Fund declined from second to third place from yesterday, despite a slight increase to 394.6 pips. In Multi-Trader, FX Multiplier continued in decline by 0.42% and is now at 30.05%. India Rose increased by 0.57% in monthly gain and is still remaining at second place. Third place, occupied by Low Risk Invest, rose only by 0.02%. Trade leaders, LW Trading, recorded again the biggest rise when it added 37% to its final 3,631%. It is also followed by an unchanged Joiny Jang strategy at second place, and at third is Whitestone Asset, which recorded a loss of 80%. And on this date in 1957, and what seems to be obvious to us now, the U.S. Surgeon General Leroy Burney connects smoking with lung cancer. Thanks for watching Axiory's broadcast. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.